Today we'll be talking about developmental networks. Developmental networks show a pathway of how genes can interact to produce a phenotype. The developmental networks use arrows and T-bars. Arrows represent activation and the T-bars represent repression. I will be using the 2019 remake of the Aladdin movie to explain an example development network. So a basic summary of the movie is that Jafar the sorceress wants to become the most powerful man in the world with the help of the genie. Jafar doesn't get the genie. Aladdin gets the genie and gets the three wishes. And with the help of the genie, Aladdin is able to marry Princess Jasmine. Our network is that Jafar inhibits the genie, and the genie activates Aladdin, and Aladdin activates marrying Princess Jasmine. If we were to think about this in scientific terms, then the Jafar gene represses the translation of the genie gene. The genie gene activates the transcription of the Aladdin gene, and the Aladdin gene activates the transcription of the Princess Jasmine gene, which represents the phenotype of marriage. If there is no Jafar, then Jafar doesn't meet the genie. Then that means that the genie helps Aladdin, and then Aladdin can marry Princess Jasmine. To explain this scientifically, Jafar inhibits the genie activates Aladdin, and Aladdin activates marrying Princess Jasmine. If there is a double mutation and there is no genie and no Jafar, then that means that Jafar doesn't meet the genie. That also means that there's no genie, so that means that nobody can marry Princess Jasmine.